Let us see about the cabinet secretariat. Like we have website for this, like e-Samiksha, we have e-Nivesh Monitor, and we have Act like Government of India Allocation of Business Rules 1961. Following this, I have given the website. You can just see them, the collage. Following that, we go to the Niti Aayog, which make lot of plannings and trying to implement in making aim to innovate DMEO. These are the website. And following this, I have given the Indian partners as well as international partners, which I just saw in the Niti Aayog web portal. Actually, the full form of NITI is like National Institute for Transforming India. We have Transforming India Goals Market, and I have given the collage Niti Aayog. We have think tank, we have Bhushan, you can just see in it in the Niti Aayog portal as well. I think so this will be helpful for all types of aspirants and persons who preparing their exam and searching for current affairs. This will be a good platform to know about the initiatives and up-to-date planning which is going on in the Niti Aayog. So following this, we'll go into the Constitution of India. We have Comptroller and Auditor General of India, where this is the Supreme Audit Institution of India. We have Accountants General state-wise as well, starting from Andhra Pradesh, we have till our Kerala, and everything has these type of accounts central. And we have PFMS, we have ICISA, and these everything comes under the Constitution of India, as well as I told you, allocation of business rules. Part 5 of Union Talks, Chapter 5 talks about Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 148 to 151 speaks about it. So I have given the collage for CAG, and following we will go into the Election Commission of India. In this we have SWEEP, SWEEP, where it gives a good awareness to the students, and we have Act like Representation of Peoples Act 1951 and Constitution of India Act, Constitution of India 1950. In that part 15 election topic, we have Article 324 to 329 explaining about election, and I have given the collage as well. Then moving on to the Vice President Secretariat, we have Rajya Sabha. You can just go and see VPI and Constitution other portal, Rajya Sabha portal, as well as Vice President of India portal, where Article 63, 64, 65 is being given in the VPI and Constitution tab. Following this, we'll go to the President Secretariat, where we have Rashtrapati Bhavan and other important stuff like mercy petition will be there, and other along with that we have tab like list of central bills assented by the President, where you can just view how many bills has been assented by the President and which has been going on. So make use of these type of website to know what type of bill or what type of bills been assented by our President. So we have other important important, very important is like PMO's office, Prime Minister's office. Like we have PIP, we have PM office, we have PM National Relief Fund, we have National Defense Fund, we have PM Cares Fund. Constitution of India talks about PM's important stuff, articles. And following that, we'll go into the Union Public Service Commission. I have told a lot about this. Let me give a small intro. Civil servant for the East India Company, this was the origin, and we going on with the years, we have civil service in India, and following that, based on the Government of India Act 1919 and Public Service Commission Function Rules 1926. Now we have Constitution of India. This was the evolution of Union Public Service Commission. Article 315 to 323 talks about Union Public Service Commission functions and service regarding Union Public Service Commission. We have Ministry of Panchayati Raj, where we have Act like the Manipur Panchayati Raj Act 1994. We have provisions of Panchayat Extension of Scheduled Areas Act 1996. And following this, I think so, this would have given a holistic idea about the ministry till date. And following this, I was too fast, but to cover all these in short time, I have given the speed. Please do not mistake me. To make sure, give a holistic idea, I have made like fasten my speech. So we have ministry departments discussed, like it is like it can be extended, it can be merged. This should be known by us at this point after completing this part. And this will be like helping each and every citizen, as well as like giving you the up-to-date information. I think so. Ignorance of law excuses no one, so let us be updated and let us know about this a lot. Thank you.